Welcome to Cultural Vibes Journey, where we take you on an immersive journey to explore the world's most captivating destinations. Today, we are dividing into the rich tapestry of Malaysia, a country bursting with cultural diversity, natural wonders, and unforgettable experiences. Join us as we embark on an adventure through Malaysia's best places to visit. Our journey begins in Malacca, a city steeped in history and charm. Nestled on the west coast of the Malaysian peninsula, Malacca is a living testament to Malaysia's colonial past. Here, British, Dutch, and Portuguese influence converge, leaving behind a legacy of stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage. Wander through the narrow streets of the Jonker Walk, where the aroma of spices fills the air and colorful shophouses line the streets. Dive into the local cuisines at a bustling night market, sampling mouth-watering dishes that blends the flavors from across the globe. Next, we venture into the cool, misty hills of the Cameron Highlands, a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the Malaysia's bustling cities. Developed by the British in the 1920s, this hill station is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on a scenic trails that winds through the emerald forest, leading to the hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. Immerse yourselves in the vibrant tapestry of cultures as you interact with the diverse communities that calls this region the home, from Malays to Chinese and the Indian. Our journey takes us to the majestic heights of Mount Kinabalu, the highest peak in the Southeast Asia. Towering over the northern Borneo, this iconic mountain offers adventures, the ultimate challenge, a trek to its summit. With its rugged terrain and ever-changing landscapes, Mount Kinabalu promises an unforgettable experiences for those brave enough to conquer its slopes. But fear not, for even the less adventurous can find the solace in the mountain's foothills where verdant gardens and the tranquil walks await. From the heights of Mount Kinabalu, we descend to the sun-kissed shores of the Perhentian Island, a tropical paradise nestled off the northeastern coast of Malaysia. Here, azure waters teem with the marine life, beckoning snorkelers and divers to explore the vibrant coral reefs and exotic underwater ecosystems. Relax on the pristine beaches framed by swaying palms, or venture into the lush jungle interiors to discover the hidden waterfalls and the secluded coves. The Perhentian Island truly offers a haven of serenity for those seeking the respite from the hustle and the bustle of the city life. Our journey continues with a visit to the iconic Batu Caves, a cultural landmark nestled just outside the Kuala Lumpur. Ascends the colorful steps to these ancient limestone caves adorned with intricate Hindu shrines and the statues. Marvel at the majestic cathedral cave, home to the towering statue of Lord Murugan and sanctuary for worshippers from around the world. Keep an eye out of the mischievous monkeys that calls this place home, adding to the sense of wonder and enchantment. No journey through Malaysia would be complete without a visit to the Penang, the Pearl of the Orient. Steps back in time as you wander through the historic streets of Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its colonial architecture and vibrant street art. Indulge your senses in the island's world-famous cuisines, from mouth-watering street foods to the sumptuous Nyonya delicacies. Take a ride on the iconic Penang Hill funicular railway for panoramic views of the island, or explore the lush botanical gardens and historic temples that dot its landscapes. Our next stop brings us to the bustling metropolis of the Kuala Lumpur, the beating heart of Malaysia. Marvel at the futuristic skyline dominated by the iconic Petronas Twin Towers and immerse yourselves in the city's vibrant culture and heritage. Explore the bustling streets of Bukit Bintang, where shopping, dining, and entertainment options are abound. Delve into the Malaysia's rich Islamic heritage at the Islamic Arts Museum, or escape the urban jungle with a stroll through the tranquil KL Bird Park. Kuala Lumpur truly offers a blend of old world charm and modern sophistication that captivates the visitors from near and far. Our journey doesn't end here. We set sail for the idyllic shores of Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands in the Andaman Sea. From its sun-drenched beach to its lush rainforest, Langkawi is a paradise for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Soak up the sun on Pantai Sinang, indulge in water sports at Pantai Tengah, or take a cable car ride to the summit of the Gunung Mat Singgang for the panoramic views of the surrounding islands. With its diverse landscapes and laid-back vibes, Langkawi promises an unforgettable island getaway. Next, our adventure takes us deep into the heart of the Malaysia's oldest tropical rainforest, the Taman Negara. Encompassing three states across the northern parts of West Malaysia, Taman Negara is a heaven for eco-adventurers and the wildlife enthusiasts. Traverse the canopy walkway, a series of suspension bridge high above the forest floors, and the marvel at the diverse flora and fauna that call this pristine wilderness homes. Whether you are trekking through the jungle or cruising along the river or camping under the stars, Taman Negara offers an immersive experience in nature like no other. Our final destination brings us to the extraordinary landscapes of the Gunung Mulu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking limestone karst formation and the vast cave systems. Embark on an adventure into the depths of the Clearwater Cave, one of the largest cave passages in the world, or marvel at the towering peaks of the Mount Mulu. Trek through dense forests to discover the hidden waterfalls and ancient rock formations and immerse yourselves into the rich biodiversity of this natural wonderland. From adrenaline pumping adventures to the serene nature walks, Gunung Mulu National Park offers something for everyone. As our journey through Malaysia comes to an end, we are reminded of the country's incredible diversity and the natural beauty. From historic cities to the pristine islands, from lush rainforests to the towering mountains, Malaysia truly offers a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, hit the road, and embark on your Malaysian adventure. Until the next time, so happy travels. Thank you for joining us on an adventure through Malaysia's best places. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more travel inspiration. Until next time, stay safe.